Let's go to our control data, editing and moving around. And when you hit the display key here, you'll notice that the notes turn gray, letting you know you're in display mode, which is data, the data display mode. And the data is represented by these colored bars. Well, let's go down here. Here I have a couple. I have a main volume here, entry. I'm gonna take the grid mode off so I can. And to select a data entry, you merely just put the cursor to the right of the actual data you want to select. You can't click on this to select it. It doesn't turn any color or anything like the notes. So you just, if in the manual it says if the data is to the left of the cursor, it is the active data, the one you can control. I say it's the selected data, and if the cursor's to the right of it, it's selected. It's that simple. That's one way of selecting, and of course you can do the marked range and select it. Pretty simple. You can select a bunch of marked, select a bunch of data if you had a bunch in here. How do you move this data? Well, you select it. I want to move this data entry, and I'm going to go right back to Shift or Control left drag, and I'm going to shift this right or left over here. I just moved that data. I'm going to shift it back over here, and I'm going to shift that data down to this track. You're getting the picture now, isn't it? It's all the same. It all works the same, and I bet you what am I going to do next? How about the snap feature? I have that selected. I press the backspace. It snaps it over there. Remember? Backspace, snap. All the same. All the same. And of course, copying. How do I copy? Well, I can Shift or Control, drag, press the right mouse button while I have the left mouse button held down, and I just copied it. I can also put the cursor here and do the Control backspace. Snaps it there and copies it. Same with the Control left clicking with a drag and a right click, and I just copy that down, that data down there. Very, very simple. Once you get the hang of it, you start seeing that. I mean, the Shift Control left drag feature, you can move anything anywhere and copy it with a right click. Too simple. Very simple. And to delete, of course, you select it and press the delete button. Select it. Select it. Delete. Of course, your undo features work the same here. Very simple.